besties, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new video. I'm very excited for today's video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my updated bookshelf tour. I've done like 3 of these videos, but I love to do the tours and you guys asked me, so here I am. And I also want to thank today's sponsor, which is Karma, an all-in-one shopping assistant that saves you time and money. And I will talk about them in just a sec, but first, let's talk about today's video. So if you're new here, hi, I'm Isa. I hope you stay and subscribe. I do a lot of lifestyle / book related videos, and I moved into a new apartment, my first apartment, and I reorganized my bookshelves, and I have a office room / home library, and that's what I'm going to be sharing with you today. But first, let's talk about Karma. So you guys, let's talk about today's sponsor, which is Karma. So thank you, Karma, for sponsoring a portion of today's video. And if you guys have followed me for a while, you probably know that I partnered with Karma in another video a few months ago, and it was so cool and I loved it. So I'm partnering with them again today. So if you didn't know, Karma is an all-in-one shopping assistant that helps you save time and money. And you basically download it for free as a Google Chrome extension. I have always used the Google Chrome browser, so that was great that they have a Google Chrome extension, and it's super easy to download and everything and use. So Karma has 4 main features. The first one are the coupons, then wish list, then they have the sale notifications, and finally cashback. So my favorite features are obviously the coupons. I am a coupon girl, and that they notify you with your specific products. That can be, in my case, books if a book was sold out, and I put it in my Karma wish list. It literally notifies me when it's in stock again, so I can go ahead and buy it. The first time I used Karma, I used them for a Sephora purchase, and it took $20 off my order from Sephora. So $20 off was amazing. So in these past months, Karma has saved me so much money. So basically, if you want Karma to notify you when a book is on sale or is back in stock, these are the things that you need to do. First, click the blue button when you see an item you'd like to save, and select the size, color, and type of notification you'd like to receive. So it's that simple. And after that, you'll get an email or mobile push notification when an item you've saved goes on sale, has a relevant coupon, or comes back in stock. Don't miss out on buying at the right time, which is basically what Karma does for you. So virtual shopping assistant you didn't know you needed, but now you can have it, and I love it. I totally recommend it, you guys. So if you want to download the free Google Chrome extension, the link is down below in the description. You're gonna see it, and thank you so much, Karma, for sponsoring today's video. But let's get back to the bookshelf tour. Okay guys, so let's start today's video. Okay guys, so this is gonna be an overview of what I have in my bookshelves. I have 1, 2, and 3 bookshelves and a book cart that I'm going to show you in a little bit. But I have a mirror there that I had in my previous room. I'm sorry for the sun. It's literally 6:45 a.m. and I'm filming this, and the sun is coming up, so I'm so sorry about that. I have my first bookshelf that I ever bought. I'm so sorry, I have no idea from where this bookshelf is, but I'm really sure that IKEA has an identical bookshelf. So I'm going to try to link the bookshelves down below in the description if you want to go and buy one from IKEA. But then we have my reading chair that's from also from IKEA. Everything is going to be linked. And then we have this other bookshelf and this one. So I'm going to start showing you my books and all the accessories and all the things that I have. So in this first bookshelf, I have on the top, I have a lot of accessories, a lot of things that I had in my previous house. So I am honestly not finished with this. This is basically what I've done with it so far, but I don't think I'm going to leave it like this for a long time. It's kind of messy, I'm not gonna lie. But I have this lamp that I put here so I can sit in my chair and turn it on if I need light to read. And then I have this little mirror that I got from, I live in Panama, and if you're interested, I got it from Mumuso. Then I have this little container. I don't know what this is called. I honestly don't put anything in this, but whatever, this is what I have. And then I have some accessories here. I have 2 little plants that I got from Alice. The whiteboard I got from Target. I believe they still have it. And this little thing I got from Nordic, but I think it's to put like those little candles, but I haven't bought the candles, so I have it there. But that is what I have. Let's get to the books. So in this first, I don't know if this is a column or a row. I always get confused with columns and rows, but whatever. This is the first part. Let's call it section 1. Honestly, like this bookshelf is not organized by anything, just by like the book size, but like I just threw a bunch of books in my bookshelves when I was unpacking, so yeah. Don't have a system right now, but I wanted to show you guys. Let's say this is section 2 of the bookshelf. Let's start with this one. Okay, and this last section is really, honestly, disorganized. It's not organized like I usually organize my books, but whatever. So this shelf is basically filled with my Crave series by Tracy Wolff, which are these 3 books, and then the Furry Born series by Claire Legrand. So these 3 books. I don't want to take them out because they're really like packed in there, so it's really hard to put them there. So those are the books. So the next bookshelf is one of my latest bookshelves. I would say this is the most recent addition to my collection. I bought this bookshelf again in a local business, Duit Center, but I think you can get it from IKEA. This is what this bookshelf looks like. Again, sorry for the sun. The lighting is going to keep changing because of that. So basically this bookshelf has my favorite author, which is Colleen Hoover, and then a bunch of book series. So this is where I keep my book series, most of them at least. Let's start with my Colleen Hoover books. A lot of you guys ask me which books to read if you haven't read like anything by Colleen Hoover, and I always say if you're 18 plus or if you like new adult books, then read Reminders of Him, Ugly Love, It Ends With Us, November 9, Verity, Hopeless also. And if you want a YA book by Colleen Hoover, I always recommend Regretting You and Heartbones. So if you guys want to know how to read Colleen Hoover books, I have a whole video showing you guys how to read them, a guide. I'm going to link it down below. Okay, so next part of the bookshelf, I have book series. So this is how I have it, and I have a bunch of my glasses, my reading glasses. So if we look here, I have a book series that's called the Maid series by Danielle Laurie. You guys, if you don't know, she's a very problematic author, so I had no idea when I bought her books, but I already have them, so I keep them in here. If you want to read the series, I would suggest you buy the books secondhand. And on the right, I have the Like Us series by Krista and Becca Ritchie, who are the same authors of the Addicted/Calloway Sisters series. And I only have 4 books of this series, and the series is like 10 plus books, and I haven't read any one of them because I haven't finished the Addicted/Calloway Sisters series. So now in this part I have the Dirty Air series by Lauren Asher, which I love Lauren Asher so much. I've read only the first book, Throttled, of the Dirty Air series, and I really liked it. I still need to read the other 3 books, but you guys know that I'm so bad at reading book series, so yeah. And also the Addicted/Calloway Sisters series is on the right, but I haven't read all of the books, and I don't have all of the books here. So first book of the Dirty Air series, Throttled. Second book of the series, which is Collided. If you're wondering where I got these special edition covers, I got them from Amazon. Third book of the Dirty Air series, Wrecked. And lastly, we have Redeemed, which is the 4th book of the series. So I love these special edition covers of the Dirty Air series because they have numbers. If you see right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, so you know the order to read them. And for the Addicted/Calloway Sisters series, I'm gonna put the reading order right now so you know which books to read first. So the next part of my bookshelf, I have Elle Kennedy. So she's an author. I'm so sorry about the lighting, I can't do anything about it, but I have the Off-Campus series right here, and then the Briar U series, which is a spin-off of the Off-Campus series. I don't know if you noticed, you guys, but I don't really talk about Elle Kennedy. She's kind of a problematic author. I haven't read the Briar U series because of that. Okay, so the last big bookshelf is this one right here. It's the most tall one, so this is the tallest of them all, and I have it all filled up with books. I don't know why, but this is my favorite bookshelf. I don't know, it's just so colorful. I love the colors, and I have a lot of rom-coms here, and they look so pretty. So this first part of the bookshelf, at the top, I have a bunch of rom-coms, romance books, and I love it. It's so colorful.
It was a good job, kept me employed, but now I'm moving on to the next point.
Okay, so this part I also have romance books, and I have a lot of my favorite books here. So I always get questions on how to read the Twisted series by Anna Huang, and this is the order. You first read Twisted Love, then Twisted Games, and then Twisted Hate. Okay, so the next part, third shelf in this bookshelf, is also filled with romance books. Okay, so next up I have a bunch of books from Book of the Month. So at the bottom I also have books from Book of the Month. So my book card right now is honestly very messy because I have a bunch of stuff at the back of each book and at the bottom too. And here I just have a bunch of decorations that I haven't organized, but these are the books that I have here. I literally haven't changed this part of the book cart since the last bookshelf tour, so I'm not going to show you each one because they are literally the same, but I did change this part. So I have The Wall of Winnipeg and Me by Mariana Zapata. I have Punk 57, Indigo Ridge, Birthday Girl, Wait for It, Under the Lights, Until Friday Night, 2 books by Catherine Coles, and 2 books by Emma St. Clair. Let's do a final overview of the room. So this is what it looks like. And those are all my books. I hope you enjoyed.
Oh, corks and bottles, ready to pop out. Oh, no more crying. We are knocking out another year of new loves.